how to start this, okay? I'm not a YouTuber. First and foremost. Also, I'm gonna look here because that's where the viewfinder is, but I know that you're down here, okay? I know. I put you there. I placed the camera there. Please don't comment on my hat and my receding hairline. I know that this is not a look, okay? I would bully myself too online, but I'm asking you, kindly, sir, not to bully me. I've got you covered. Help is here. You can calm down now, okay? I'm gonna show you how to install those. And I will share my screen. Just follow along. If things are going on too quickly, you can slow down the video by clicking the cogwheel down below and changing the speed. That will get you sorted. So first and foremost, click your profile picture and go to the creator dashboard. Now, to install a lot of these, you need to be affiliate. That means that you need 50 followers, a bunch of stream hours, and I don't know, sometimes they change the rules for becoming affiliate. So if you don't see all of these options, that might mean that you aren't affiliate yet. So once we've opened the creator dashboard, we're gonna head over to this tab called monetization. Over here, we can open that tab by clicking on that arrow. We will go over to subscriptions. And if you have a cool theme on your channel, which a lot of people do, perhaps you would like to name your subscriptions after whatever your community is called. I have left them as the default one, but once you've named them and you're happy with the layout of things, we head over to subscriber badges. This is where we upload all of our graphics. So as you can see right now, I have a base tier one. And with every month that a subscriber is subscribed to your channel, their badge will be upgraded to the next version. And you get a good preview of that over here. And the way to upload one is to select the month that you're interested in updating in this menu. I don't know why it's a drop-down menu, but that's the way it is. And if you want to override one, you just click delete badges. And it looks like that. And as you can see, they're asking us for 3 different resolutions. But if you've bought badges from my Etsy, they will already be cropped to the corresponding resolutions. So they're ready for upload, which is convenient and exactly what I wanted. Yeah, whatever. So as you can see, they're asking for a 72 by 72, and they will have that number after each one. And I will just drag and drop that over there. And then we need a 36 by 36. It will take some time for them to upload. And then an 18 by 18. And it's that easy. Then you just click upload badge, and to confirm that you own the right to the images, and the licensing for my graphics allow you, of course, for personal use, so this is fine. You click save. If you have a badge flare, this is the place to install that. You can upload a custom badge flare over here. At the moment of recording this video, I don't have any, but this is where you would upload those. And let's say we have multiple badges, like the strawberry ones. Let's do a strawberry cake for this second month subscription. I open this drop-down menu, select 2 months, and I will upload number 18. I let Twitch think for a second, and I click upload badges and save. And it's really that easy. It takes some time to do all of them, but once you have them uploaded, you really only need to do this once. And that's it. Can you see me, chat? No, just kidding. I hope this came in helpful. If you have any questions, or if this information is outdated for some reason, please let me know and I will help you to the best of my abilities. I think that's it. Have a good day and have fun streaming. See you.